everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this delicious salad, black rice, tuna and vegetable salad. This salad is very simple to put together and is perfect for this summer as well. So I hope you enjoy this video. So the ingredients are black rice. I actually cooked my own. You can get already cooked black rice at the store. Me, I like making my food. I love making my food fresh. Okay, so the next thing is bell pepper. I already prepped them. Sweet corn, tuna. I love using tuna with the oil. So yeah, this is cucumber and black olive. The cucumber is not fresh one, is the bottle one. In here I have some parsley and mint leaf together. You can use more than this. Okay, an extra virgin of olive oil, and we're going to be using salt as well. So I've already prepped my own. You can go ahead and prep yours. The rice, I cooked the rice for 15 minutes or thereabout. Just cook the black rice until they are well cooked. Okay, now I'm transferring them into the bowl to mix all the ingredients together. So I added the cucumber and the olive, the corn, the peppers and the tuna. You can actually add more vegetable into this recipe. Okay, then I'm adding tuna now. After tuna I'm going to add the mint and parsley leaf. Like I said, if you are the type that love parsley leaf, you can add as much as you want. Okay, I just wanted that fresh flavor. Then I'm going to top it up with extra virgin of olive oil. Make sure you are using a very good quality of olive oil. Okay, mix everything together. Mix until all the ingredients are well combined. Okay, I'm going to test mine because I actually cooked the rice with salt, so this is why I did not add salt. All right guys, after testing this I found out that it needed a little bit more salt. If you are the type that don't like too much salt, you just eat it like that. It's perfect. Okay, so I'm just going to sprinkle just a pinch of salt in there. Mix everything together again. Taste again. Okay, it's always good to taste the ingredient, like the flavor in your food before serving them. Okay, and that is basically all guys. This recipe is very delicious, perfect for this summer. You can take them to seaside, you can take them to the office, you can even preserve them in the fridge for up to 3 days guys. Okay, we didn't finish this food, we'll allow them to stay in the fridge till next day, then we consume the remaining one. It's very delicious. If you can't find black rice, use white rice for this recipe. You're going to love it as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video guys. Please subscribe, share this video, and let me know what you think. If you've tried black rice before, share your recipes with me. I am adding the extra tuna that was remaining into the rice and the extra parsley leaf that was also remaining, just to top it off, to give it that greenness, or just have fun guys. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Please share, subscribe and like, and try this recipe. Let me know what you think about it. I will see you in my next one. God bless you all. Bye.